I literally watch TV. Иногда я смотрю.
I watch many American films, and which is I think it's the best of all. It's Great Gatsby. It's a new film, and I think English films, American films can improve our English, our skills.
Do you watch Tajik TV?
Yes, I watch Tajik TV, but I try most watch English TV because how I say I can improve my English.
Did you watch films in English?
Yeah, do kam-kam. Yes, of course. It's improve our English.
At last I watched film. The name is Two Stars. Yes. We watched yesterday.
Yes.
Yesterday we watched one film in English.